Good morning. It's February 1. It's our 8th day today. So we'll see what we can do. I only have one worker with me. Two are absent, so we'll see what we can do today. Just tune in. Okay, good morning. It's February 1. We're doing the flange. Okay, we'll be replacing this flange because it's really worn out. No much strength anymore. So this will strengthen the head of the chassis. Okay, so we have to redo everything. This is where the brake cylinder head. Tama nga ba yun? Cylinder head dito, do? Cylinder head ng brake cylinder head nakakabit dyan, yeah. So just be with us and watch how my tinsmith do the trick. So it's been laid out already, and he will cut and bend it later. Watch the progress, okay?
Talo pala na radyo, no?
Hindi naman.
Mas lamang ang...
Iwas lang sa copyright. For this one. So for this one, just figuring it out like this. Okay. I mean figuring, sorry. It's working out like this. Okay, so this wraps up our day 8 today. Stand by for day 9. Okay, please do like, share, and subscribe. It would be an honor for us if you would subscribe and tell your friends about it. And if you have any questions, or if you want to have your car repaired, if you have Volkswagen as well and you wanted us to restore it, just contact us here. Leave a comment down below and we'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. So thank you again, and we'll see you tomorrow. Have a nice day. Okay, good morning. It's It's day 9 of our restoration project. It's February 2. We are on our way. Sorry, I'm on my way to the shop. I'll bring what do you call this? DeWalt shop for the repair of my orbital sander, and we'll get some few stuff like the cutting disc that we use often. So stand by, and I will give you an update later. Thank you. Morning. We're almost there at the DeWalt repair shop. Almost there. Okay, so we're here now at the repair center of DeWalt. I'll bring my unit in for repair. It's somewhere here in Turbina, Calamba. And we're heading back home. Heading back to the shop. I'll see you guys later. So we are now here, back at the shop. At the shop. Okay, so we're here located at Roda subdivision, Los Baños. There is our pool and a badminton court. My brother's school. It's my shop. Here we are. Okay, we're here again at the shop, and it's day 9, February 2. 2022. So we'll see what we can do, and we can finish today. Our 2 workers have not reported yet. Maybe tomorrow. So it's only my teammate and me working out on this project. So I'll keep you stay tuned and watch the development today. Okay, so the flange is being fitted now. As you can see, this is the one we worked on yesterday. So it's been mounted on the part of the head of the chassis. There'll be a little bit modification here, or it's not balanced. So stay tuned. We'll be working on this in a while. Measuring the exact position. Somewhere in 31.2. 30 ka, no? Measure at 30. Mga nasa 31.1 ako eh. 31.1, 30.8. Pwede na tayo sa 30.3 na. 30 point something. 31. Sa taas 30 eh. Sa baba 31. So yeah, lagay mo sa 30.9. Pwede na sa 30.9 para lang Yan. Ilak mo sa 30.9. Para precise yung...
Ngayon, para sa puno.
You need to be exact on duplicating the flange para exact yung pasok mo lang yung fan. You mount this one exactly. So we need to be precise. We use the caliper for precision measurement. So putting a spot welding on it. So it won't go again. Okay. See how strong this is? It's not moving anymore. Just need to reinforce it from the inside. Welding on the inside and welding on the outside to make it more stronger. So the flange is almost done. I've just well, the metal before we put it in is pre-painted with Galva coat coating it. Then from the inside, after the welding, since it's still hot, I sprayed on a rubberized undercoating so that it won't corrode anymore. And from the outside, I'll just have to paint it again with Galva coat or primer before finishing this up. So just to prevent the rusting from the inside, since this will be covered, I sprayed in undercoating spray, rubberized undercoating spray. Okay, for the longevity of the metal. We've measured it and had it made. So we have just cut and bending the top nose of the flange. It will be welded a little later. That's the top of the flange. We're binding it all together. Almost done, almost done. so here's the flange. Almost done. Few more.
Yan pala mapintal din yan.
Let's see how strong the flange is. Few more spots to be joint by the acetylene. Then it's done. Okay guys, so this is day 9. We've finished day 9 and it's just the two of us, Nathan Smith and me, and my two workers are still absent. Maybe tomorrow they'll be here, the mechanic and the assistant. So today we just finished the flange of the head, so it's attached now to the lower portion of the head, and tomorrow we'll be dealing with the topmost part of the head. Okay, so it's just me and my tinsmith, so work here is a little bit slower. Okay, so please do watch us on our next vlog, daily vlog, and please do subscribe and comment down below for your thoughts and opinion. Okay, see you guys tomorrow. Bye.